Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Got a lot of stuff to cover today. At the end of this video, I'm going to have a very, very good update on my wife, Amy. This is exciting. I want y'all to know about it. And I'm going to have a small update on the stun guns. Y'all please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, leave your comments. I love to hear from every one of you. Okay, first of all, Steve Mnuchin and Nancy Pelosi had a telephone conversation. Stephen Mnuchin initiated the call. He called Nancy Pelosi, but at the end, he said it didn't go too well. He said Nancy Pelosi is not going to budge from her demands. And Nancy Pelosi, when asked, said that Stephen Mnuchin refused to budge from what he wanted. This whole thing sounds like a fight between babies. All we ever hear is he said, she said. Can they just act like an adults for once in their life? President Trump said a bill is not likely to get passed because of the Democrats wanting a lot of garbage not related to COVID, and we just can't give it to them. But now, if I remember right, isn't President Trump the one that wanted the new building for the FBI? What does that have to do with COVID? The pot calling the kettle black. Nancy Pelosi was asked, will the stimulus package be delayed until September? She says, I hope not, because people will die. Now, if she really feels this way, why won't they go ahead and pass a bill on the things that they agree on? And that would include stimulus checks for the people. She should go ahead and take the piecemeal package and worry about the other things later. There's plenty of time to work on the other stuff. People are asking, will a stimulus package be passed? If the Democrats and the Republicans can't reach an agreement and act like an adults, it won't be another stimulus package. And it won't be any more stimulus checks. It will not be any more PPP money. It will not be any more unemployment boost. And it's all because of the toddlers in the Senate and in the House and in the White House. Remember to vote every one of them out of office in November. If they're in office now, who cares what side of the party line they're on? Vote them out. They're all contributing to the problem. What we really need is term limits. It should be that they can only run 2 terms and then set out a full term before returning to any political office. But the way it is now, they'll hold a political office for 2 terms and then they don't set it out. All they do is just change jobs. They go to another political job and ride that out. And then later on, they're going to change jobs again. We need to get rid of lifetime politicians. They are the problem. They are why this country is in the shape it's in. Term limits should also include Supreme Court judges. Term limits should apply to them as well. I won't call names, but we have one that looks like he or she, I'm not going to call that either, should have been in the grave years ago. They look like they're already dead. Every time you see this person on TV in a meeting, this person is asleep. And I know this person cannot be thinking clearly at this person's age. And this is a very important job that this person has. I'm sorry, I won't call the names or the gender. But if y'all been watching the Supreme Courts, you know who I'm talking about. Y'all, it's not looking real good right now for a stimulus package because they can't agree on anything. But they could be called back to Washington at a 24-hour notice and vote on something if they so choose to get something passed. And I'm not saying it won't happen, but it's not looking real good. It could happen. I heard yesterday that a lot of the senators are still in Washington. A few of them has gone home. Some of them are still in Washington doing work behind the scenes. That I don't know about. It's just what I heard from another channel. Y'all, we will get out of this. It's going to be hard. It's going to take a while. Okay, an update on Amy. This is really exciting. Something that's been in the making for a long time, and I want to share it with y'all, my extended family. Yesterday, as you know, she's been working at the same place for 40 years. 40 years. Yesterday, well, first of all, she was supposed to retire in the end of next month. Well, yesterday we went, turned in her keys, and said, she told them she's done. She's not coming back. They are going to throw a retirement party for her. She don't want it, but they're going to do it anyway. They're going to let us know when they get it set up, get it all set up. But I was kidding her on the way home from turning her keys in. I said, you've only worked there for 40 years and now you quit? You just can't hold a job, can you? Just trying to be funny. I don't know if she's seen humor in it or not, but yeah, she's been there 40 long, hard years, and she always put her job before anything. She is probably one of the best employees that I've ever known. I know she's the best wife in the world, and I thank God for her. Y'all, I thank you all for all your prayers, well wishes, cards, everything. And I thank God above for answering those prayers. He brought my wife back to me. I would say she's very close to 100% now. Y'all, she's the one that had the major heart attack. But every day we're going to Walmart. Every day we're going to Sam's Club. Every day we're going out for lunch. Every evening she wants to go for a ride. She's killing me. I'm having a hard time keeping up with her. And I'm in perfect health. I'm just a fat guy. She's the one with a heart attack. She should be slow. But I can't keep up with her. Thank God. Y'all, the stun guns are selling good. I still got them. I'm not going to run out anymore. A lot of people are, well, I'm not going to say a lot. I get about 10 to 15 private messages every day. People saying, please send me 2 stun guns for protection. Y'all, I'm sorry, unless you go to my website, click on the link, go to the website, and purchase a stun gun, I can't send it to you. I only make a little less than $5 a piece on them after I pay for the guns and the postage and all. I only make a little less than $5 a piece on them. I can't give them away for free. You have to go purchase them on my website, and then I will send them right out to you. I wished I could give everybody one. I just can't do it. It's too big of an expense. But just know I do love you all. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave me a thumbs up. Watch these 2 videos that's about to pop up here. Whether you've seen them or not, click on them and let them start anyway. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, please subscribe to my channel. Leave your thumbs up. Leave your comments. I love you all. And unless something happens that warrants another video, I won't be back today, but I will be here at 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. But just know, I love you all, and we will get out of this. Just keep your heads up and keep the faith. Ciao.